Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Boxyluxe. I ordered Boxyluxe and I got the Boxyluxe for December. I want to show it to you. I haven't looked in it yet. I haven't watched any videos on it yet, and I haven't seen that many. So I'm wondering, did people maybe not choose Boxyluxe or what? I don't know. 'Tis the season, Boxyluxe. So as you may or may not know, Boxycharm is a subscription. It is $21 a month, but if you order 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or 12 months at a time, you get a break. And I think if you order the full year, it's like $19 and something for the full year. Then every 3 months, they started this thing about Boxyluxe, where you could have an upgrade for that month. And this is only the second one. The first one went by and I missed out on it. I tried to get in, but I was too late. And it had some things I really wanted. So I decided to try it this month in December and see what happens. And so, oh, I see some things I like already. I haven't looked in it at all. So let's see what's in my Boxyluxe. If you're new here, thanks for coming in. I hope you'll subscribe before you go. Please leave us a comment and a thumbs up, and let's do it. From Crimes of Beauty. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, if you follow for a while, I have one of their wristlets, and it says Nude Lip Vibes. So, this one, it's always good to read the card that comes with stuff. This Crimes of Beauty wristlet, Glammy F, has a charger inside. It's a wristlet and portable charger. How sweet is that? That's awesome. Wonder how long it holds a charge for. It's for iPhone and Android. Oh, that's great. And it has a little pocket on the inside of the bag. This is how big it is. This says Crimes of Beauty. That is cool. It says it's a $22 value. So I think the bags run about $22. So I'm guessing the charger just must be a freebie. I like that. Next is Pretty Vulgar. This is a powder. Mad About It translucent setting powder. I don't know if I'll use it. I have a whole bunch of setting powders right now that I really like, and yeah, anyway, good value. If I don't use it, you know what I'll do. I'll pass it along in a giveaway or something. All-in-one beauty treatment, sponge gel, body wash infused buffer. Oh, I can use this. Everybody can use one of these. You should change these out like every 3 months or something like that. Oh, it smells good. This is a $20 value. Wow, I knew these were expensive, but this is $20. Wow. Oh, I forgot to mention the Pretty Vulgar powder is $32. And you can get that at Sephora. Oh, neato. The Sponge Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer has yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. I don't know what vetiver is, but I will know after this video because I will look it up. I do like edelweiss, and I love yuzu. Yes. I got the Suva palette. Suva palette. I wanted to try this brand when I saw it was going to be in Boxyluxe. I thought, yeah, I'll do that. You could get either this or a small travel size flat iron. Well, it's not even a travel size flat iron. It's a flat iron like for your bangs. It's one of those minis. This is gorgeous. These are colors that are really hip and in style. Very happening. Nice pigmentation on those. Wow. The highlighters feel a little dry, but I'm sure they'll be nice. And the shadows feel really good. Oh, so creamy. Oh, wow. Great pigmentation. I think we need to do a get ready with me with this, don't you? That looks pretty nice. That is a $34 value. Really good colors that we are all going to love. Yes, we should. We should put some of that highlighter on. We're only wearing 2 right now, so let's put another highlighter on. I'm going to go into Theory here, the pinky lavender. Oh, girl, yes. It matches with this Urban Decay On the Run palette that I'm wearing. I love like pink and purple highlighters. I even love green and blue, just as long as they're not, you know, heavily green. I like that. I don't know if you can see the color. Very pretty. I put it on heavy. Should probably blend it around. Very pretty. Very pretty. LMS. This is full size. Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've wanted to try this forever. This is an $89 value. Well, maybe not forever, but ever since I've been hearing about LMS and how good it is, I've wanted to try their brand. Let me see. Let me make sure it's gluten-free. No, it is not gluten-free. It does have wheat germ oil in it. So I won't be trying this. I'll be passing it along. I don't know why brands gotta use, you know, hydrolyzed wheat protein or wheat germ oil, because there are a lot of people who are allergic to it, can't use it on their face, and there are other things you can use instead to get that same consistency and formula. So, boo, boo. Ooh, a Luxie complete face set. I've seen this at Nordstrom. Let me see how much this is value, because I don't remember. It's $65 value. I thought it was expensive. A full brush set. That's pretty nice. Very nice. Violet Voss. Okay, I knew this was coming, and when I saw it was coming, I'll be honest, I was disappointed. I already have the Holy Grail palette. This is the Holy Grail palette. This is a really good value. I think it's $45. Yeah, $45. I don't remember the additional cost for the Boxyluxe, but I'll put it here so that you know. Got this last year in LA at the makeup show. Nice palette. And then we have two other things. A Tartiest by Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. This is an Insta Famous. Yes, we're all Insta Famous, aren't we? That's what my neighbor said about me. Mom, she's Insta Famous. This is beautiful. This is totally my color. Oh man, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the camera. It is kind of pink and nude and got some pink and purple shimmers. Oh, it's beautiful. This is totally my color. Let's see. Totally me. That is my color. And then Grande Lash Mascara Boosting Formula. Really? Seriously, I wanted to try this for a long time. Yes, it has a lash loving blend of peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes. Wow, okay, $25 for that. So we have, does anybody want to watch me do math in my head? $89, $20, $45, $34, $65, $20, $25, $32, $22. I calculate $348 for this value. A couple of coupons down there. That's a great value. I mean, even for what I paid just to get that Luxie set is a good value. And I got a lot of other things I like besides. A lot of other things. I mean, there's three things I can't use. Two things? One thing I can't use because I'm allergic to it. And the other thing I already have. But everything else is go. So this was a real win for me. 'Tis the season. Boxyluxe. And that's our Boxyluxe. What do you guys think? Did you sign up for Boxyluxe? I'm thinking I might sign up again for the next Boxyluxe. But I'll let you know how much it costs. Thanks for coming in, you guys. I hope you'll subscribe before you go if you're new here. And hope you had a good time. I did. Thanks for coming in. Bye.